This has to be the year for Matter smart locks, and I'm here for it. And today we're diving into this new smart lock that is hitting the market very soon. The Anona Holo Wi-Fi smart lock in keypad combo. This lock brings an elegant design that provides convenience and security. It is packed with Matter, and it comes with 5 ways to lock and unlock your door. Let's check it out. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. This lock came to my attention when I saw it on Homekit news, and I fell in love with the style right away. Full disclosure, Anona Security reached out and asked if I could test this and make a video. The lock comes in 2 colors, the antique silver, which is the one I have right here, and the obsidian gray. Anona Security is currently running a pre-sale campaign right now. If you buy it before the official launch that is on August 8th, you can get 33% off as an early bird. Now let's talk about the lock. Now besides the beautiful style, the lock doesn't replace your deadbolt, so installation is very simple. You also don't need to replace the key, which in my opinion is a bonus, keeping your original key. It doesn't require a hub, and it connects through Matter over Wi-Fi, and it can run up to 8 months in a low power mode, which I'll explain that in a little bit. Now let's unbox it, show what it comes in the box, and install the lock and the keypad. And at the end, I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. All right, so let's look inside. So you're greeted right off the bat with a how-to video QR code that could take you to their website, as well as this product only supports 2.4 Wi-Fi network, so make sure that you are on a 2.4 Wi-Fi instead of a 5. And also here's their installation guide. Pretty simple. Because we're not replacing the deadbolt, all you need is the adapter, but yeah, pretty simple. Let's take this out and look at the lock. I don't know if you're gonna notice, but right off the bat, you can see there's actually 2 scratches. I already spoke with Anona about this, and according to them, this is an early batch, and they assure us that this is not going to happen once they release this lock. So just know and that this is why this is like this. This is where you can find the battery compartment. This is where you can place all 4 AA batteries. Look how simple it is to just attach that. And yeah, down here you can find the Matter code. That's the only Matter code that we found so far. So make sure you save that. And yeah, so I'm going to show everything that comes in the box because there's more installation tools in here, so let's do that. So here's everything that comes in the box. We have the plate that goes to the door. This adjusts based on how your door is. The 4 AA batteries, the tape that we're going to be using on the other side of the door so that it holds in place while we replace this one inside. We have another manual here with, you know, more installation instruction in depth, as well as the adapter that will be applied here and will connect to your door lock. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much everything we need to install this lock. Since this is everything that comes in the box, let's now unbox the keypad and see what it comes with. Remember, this keypad is going to be outside of your door where you'll be able to unlock this lock from the inside. So here's everything that comes with the keypad. We have the keypad itself, the 3 batteries, a user manual, a adhesive in case you wanna tape this little bracket right here. That's how you're going to connect your keypad to the door, or you could use the screws that are also included. The keypad itself, honestly, the button feels amazing. I'm a big fan. We have the logo right there, and we're going to, once we apply this, kind of just slide the keypad in there. Let me see, probably this way, like that. And once you do that, it's gonna be installed like that. So let's go set the lock up and see how they look side by side. We have a quick little setup here with the door lock, with the batteries inside, and the blue tape, which I'm gonna show you. I already taped it on the other side. You need this just to make your experience easier as you're taking those 2 screws out. to hold in place on the other side, just so that it doesn't fall. And yeah, so let's go do that real quick. So this is how you do it. You just tape the outside so it can keep that in place without falling off and just making your life harder. So first thing, take the 2 screws out. We're actually gonna be using them, so just save them somewhere. Just take this out. We're gonna need the mounting plate and the adapter. Mine happens to be this one because it looks exactly like that. And so we put the mounting plate, make sure the arrow is looking up, and then we align the adapter. And once it's like that, now we gotta use the 2 screws that, when we replace this, that came with this, now we're gonna use it for that. Here's the thing though. If the tape outside is not tight enough, you might have trouble. So I'm just going to hold the other side and just screw that in. There it is. Now at this point, all you need is a lock. The lock actually comes with this little hinges or arms. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna open them, and then you're pretty much going to align it with the adapter. And then you're just gonna close the little arms, just like that. That's it. Pretty much the lock is in place. You can now lock and unlock the door. Okay, so I already downloaded the Anona security app. So what you do is you do add device. It's gonna start looking for a device. For some reason, it doesn't find it. You could just hold the reset right here. And there it is. So you just do add. At this point, you just set it up with your Wi-Fi. I already done that. So just gonna do connect. And then now the lock is gonna connect to your Wi-Fi. Okay, once that's done, just give your lock a name. And now it's gonna give you like on how to install it, like a little video. Pretty much we already installed it, so we can just skip that. And then some calibration. So very important, follow the steps and make sure that everything is completed. So now let's play around with the app for a little bit, just to see a couple of all the perks that comes with. So right now the door is locked. If I were to unlock it, it's going to automatically tell me right away it manually got unlocked. Even there's actually going to be a lock down here where you can kind of keep track of everything. And now going back, I can just press it like that and it does it. Awesome. So now a couple of things. If you swipe up, you'll be able to find a lot more settings from the for the app. For example, you can share devices. So if you want to share for other users, you could do that there. You can have a no auto lock, which pretty much is when enable the device will not automatically lock within a set of time. That's just if you want to have it. Let's say you always have it, but you just want to turn it off for a couple of minutes for whatever reason. You could do that there. There's a low power mode. This mode is actually pretty awesome. It pretty much means that once you have it in low power mode, it can extend the battery life without needing to have a remote access. So you just want to extend your battery life and just turn down most of their settings to preserve their battery. And I think that's awesome, especially if you're traveling, especially if you're away from your house for a very long time and you just want to make sure that when you come back home, you still have batteries. There's also lock settings right down here where you can turn on the auto lock. Right now we have it at 1, so we can just, let's say for 5 seconds, and I just happen to, let's say, open the door. You see 5 seconds later, it just turned off. So if I were to go do that, I just went out and I just wanted 5 seconds to just lock the door. You give it 5 seconds and it does that. Let's see a couple more things. There's a travel mode, pretty much a lot of those same settings with the low power mode. that allows you to kind of preserve the battery. I mean, again, if you're traveling, you don't need your lock to just be working 100% of the time. If you want to preserve a little bit of battery, this is a pretty cool option. There's also add guests. You know, again, you're traveling and you want somebody to take over your, you know, check your house or something like that, and you just want to give a password for a little bit of time. Obviously, for this, you're gonna need the keypad. If it says that during your trip, if you would like for somebody to help care of your pets or your house, you can set up a visitor password in advance, and it requires the keypad. So obviously with the keypad, you'll be able to give them a code so that they can access it. And then share devices during your trip. If your parents or friends will visit your house frequently, you can share the device in advance. So pretty much giving them access for a time while you're away. And then let's see what else we have here. Here we have the Matter binding. Right there, you can connect this to another ecosystem. So right now we're using the Anona security app, but if you wanna, you know, this channel is mostly about Apple HomeKit. So that is something that I would like to have this lock into HomeKit. So through Matter, you could do that. Obviously, when you bind things through Matter and you connect it to multiple ecosystems, it will consume more battery. So just be aware of that. So do continue here, and it's gonna give me the Matter code. And right there, it allows me to copy and just set that up to another ecosystem. So I'm actually gonna copy that, my smart home. And there it is right at the top. You just click there, and I'm just going to paste that Matter code that I just got. I'm gonna give it a location, give it a name. So there it is. Now we have the lock right here in Apple HomeKit, and we just press it there. As well as if we were to go to the Anona security app, I can control it there as well. Maybe later on we'll connect it to Google Home, and I'll show you real quick just all of the apps working together, and not just working together, but also updating at the same time, which is one of the cool things about Matter with multi-admin, that it allows you to keep track even if you're in a different ecosystem right away. So right here you can see it is connected through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and that the battery is 100%. So according to Anona security, this can get up to 6 to 8 months. It depends on which mode you're running it on, and obviously if you're running Matter and all the things that I mentioned earlier. Right here, so we get more information as well as store, and again, the log. This log right here, it even tells you that it was unlocked through Matter. That's pretty cool. All right, so now we have the keypad. We have the 3 batteries, the keypad itself, the mounting equipment like the screws, if you want to do it with the screws, or the adhesive. I'll probably do the adhesive just to make it easier, since I'm always replacing and testing locks. And here's the bracket that you need for you to insert there. So we have to unscrew those 4 screws in order for us to install the battery. So let's go do that real quick. Once you're ready, all you gotta do is swipe up and then find the keypad management. Once you click that, you do add keypad. You're gonna do next. It's gonna find it right away. And at this point, it's going to connect through Bluetooth to the lock. I have completed this. It's gonna ask you to type a password. Just gonna type some random stuff. It's gonna ask you to remember. Obviously, you wanna have a complex password. This is gonna be the one, like the primary one, and just make sure that you don't put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it. Okay, so that is my password. You can do guest passwords, and as well as you can reset your own password if you need to. So now what we do is, these are some of the settings for the keypad. Okay, another cool feature for this keypad and lock is the fact that if you're afraid that somebody's gonna look over your shoulders to see your passcode, you could actually just put some random numbers, and as long as you put your password all together, you'll be able to unlock it, so no one can really peep over you to find it. So for example, my password 123456. So I'm just gonna put a bunch of numbers. Right now the door is locked. And at some point, I'm gonna type those 6 numbers and I'm going to unlock it. And it's actually going to unlock the door. That way nobody can really see what your actual password is. I mean, I just typed like 20 numbers, so pretty cool. So I'm not going to use the screws to mount this, but I'm actually gonna use the adhesive and show you how easy it is to mount this, and you can see how it looks from the outside. Let's go do that. Now, for my final thoughts, I really like the lock. I very much welcome this type of design. It's very elegant, but it obviously is subjective. Now, since you don't replace your deadbolt, your existing key stays the same, which I really like that. I don't like to have different keys for different locks. And obviously, because of that, the installation cannot be more simple. Unlocking this lock can be done in multiple ways, starting with the Anona security app, the voice command like Siri, passcode, using the keypad, your physical key, and the home app. Now, one thing missing from this lock is Apple HomeKit. I'm an Apple user, and being able to unlock it by just tapping my phone or my watch is a big selling point. I'm very impressed with the low power mode, and I'll be testing this in the next couple of months just to see how well we preserve the battery. Anona claimed that the battery can last up to 8 months. Now, I did notice one issue, that sometimes I get a non-response in the Home app and the Google Home app through Matter. I'm hoping that with the initial launch, Anona releases an update soon and that they fix this issue, because through their app, it works just fine. This lock has been 100% reliable while I use the Anona security app, so hopefully they can fix that with Matter. Now, my thanks to Anona Security for giving me a chance to test this product. And if you're interested in taking advantage of this early sale that ends on August 8th, click the link down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and comment down below whatever your thoughts about this lock and design is. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one.